Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Menika. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are practicing your English in a great way. So today I come with another topic. Actually I was reading, okay? And you can see I just jotted down some words here. Then I thought an idea, let me share with you guys. So what is the topic? The topic is how to think in English, okay? Because most of the time everyone just tell you have to think in English, but you don't know exact way how to think in English. That is a big task, yeah, for every English learner. We all want to inculcate this habit, but we don't know what is the right way to think in English, how to develop this habit of thinking English all day, yeah, all the time. So guys, what I believe, and it's my personal experience because I'm doing this thing in this day, not all time I can say. So if you want to inculcate the habit of thinking English, so you have to do only one thing, okay? One task, one work, and that will give a tremendous change and significant result in your journey. Because thinking in English is a crucial part of this journey. We can't deny this. We have to acknowledge it. We have to inculcate this habit of thinking in English, okay? So what should you do? How to think in English, है ना? हम सोच कैसे सकते हैं? Before thinking in English, we have a good number of words in our head. Then you will able to think. Like अगर आप किसी टॉपिक के बारे में बोलने जा रहे हो, when you are going to talk about any particular topic and any object, then how you will explain, how you will complete your thought, how you will elaborate your thought. Because if you don't have a word, so what you will speak? Then what is the most important thing come here? Like वर्ड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि बिना वर्ड्स के आप सेंटेंस फ्रेम नहीं कर सकते हैं. यू कांट फ्रेम द सेंटेंस विदाउट वर्ड. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लर्न द वर्ड्स. You have to learn the word, because words play a vital role in this journey. The next challenge come in our mind and in our journey, how to learn word every day. So what you have to do? No need to learn lots of word in a single day. It's very simple, very easy. You can speak English flawlessly and effortlessly. Just apply this method. And what is it? You have to pick only one word single day. I suggest you, if you want to more, then you can go. No one is going to stop you, but you should try this method, because only learning lots of word, it will still not give a result. Because if you are not able to use those word, so automatically you will lose it, है ना? आप automatically उसे भूल जाओगे. Then what is the benefit? There is no benefit of learning multiple number of words in a single time. Then what should you do? You should pick one word. Like अगर मैं एक वर्ड देती हूँ टाइनी. टाइनी मीन्स क्या होता है? छोटा. आप पहले उस वर्ड को देखें, उसका मीनिंग सर्च करें, है ना? उसे गूगल में पहले सर्च कर लीजिए. देन यू नेक्स्ट एंड मोस्ट क्रूशियल थिंग इज यू हैव टू क्रिएट द स्टोरी. यस, बिकॉज स्टोरी विल गिव अ क्लू and you will able to recall the word long time, and you are not going to easily forget the word. So now you have to create the 2-line story, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. It's not a big deal. You can easily do this, है ना? Like अगर हम word लेते हैं tiny, then what is the meaning of tiny? It's very small. Something is very small. Let's see how I'm going to narrate the story. Like study. I went to park. Then I saw some boys. They were playing in the park. But one of the boy, he was very small. He was just sitting other side of the park. Okay. Then I went over there and I asked with him what happened. And what happened with you? Why you look like sad? Then he replied me, you know what? I missed my tiny ball in the park and I didn't find it. So could you please help me to find my tiny ball? Okay. Then I said, it's okay. Let we find. Let we let we search. Let we find the ball where it is. है ना? तो ये क्या है? मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा, मेरा इंटेंशन नहीं था किसी तरह का कोई मतलब अच्छे से स्टोरी क्रिएट करने का। जिस रैंडम थॉट क्या मेरे दिमाग में आए और मुझे था कि वो वर्ड को यूज़ करना है, टाइनी को, है ना? तो मैंने एक बनाना कुछ भी स्टोरी सोच के उसको यूज़ किया। तो ये क्या हुआ, मैंने वर्ड को यूज़ कर लिया और मैंने एक छोटा सा स्टोरी भी क्रिएट कर लिया। तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस वे, you are not going to easily forget the word. Next time when you are going to do anything and when you observe, when you see any object, you can see what a tiny ball, what a tiny ball, what a tiny, या कुछ खाने के आइटम में भी लगा सकते हैं। क्या बोल सकते हैं, वॉट अ टाइनी मैंगो, अगर छोटा सा है, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट ही तो है ना, हम ज़बरदस्ती का लगा रहे हैं, क्योंकि मुझे ये वर्ड को यूज़ करना है। कुछ भी छोटा सा चीज़ दिखे तो आप इट्स सो टैनी, है ना, इट इज़ टैनी, मतलब उस वर्ड को यूज़ करना है और उसे आपको याद रखने का ट्रिक ढूंढना है। सो दिस इज़ द वे यू विल एबल टू think in English, and gradually you will start inculcating the habit of thinking in English, guys. So what I believe, this is the best way. You should try, you should try this trick to develop the habit of thinking in English. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Bye bye, take care, good night.